Obviously goes down the game.
So today, starting the drive up north to Inverness, and then I'm going to be doing the NC 500.
But I still stay, 'cause you're the only thing I know. So
this is what I have been craving for ages.
won't you take me home? Take me home. Take me home.
So today, I'm going over to Orkney.
Take me.
Orkney today, some wild camping tonight. It would be really good if I could turn the camera and show you Smooth Cave, but I've decided to go in a bit of a galavan and I'm just in the middle of nowhere. Been to Skye, obviously yesterday, left there today. I'm going to Loch Ness today.
Mistake was you. And you're my sweet affliction, 'cause you hurt me right, but you do it nice.
So me and Angus have a little road trip ahead.
Oh, yeah.
That's the end of my North of Scotland adventure. Everybody should do this trip.
So won't you take, oh, won't you
Picked up my house keys.
take me home?
Ah, you don't shit.
Take me.
I'm walking somewhere called Inchcombe Abbey. I love this side of it. I love the adventuring side. So today I'm heading to Stirling Castle, but then I went to the Wallace Monument. I didn't get up early, and I'm going through to, if I can pronounce it right, Tantallon Castle. So I came to look at Tantallon Castle. Beautiful views. Standing in a random field. Might be stuck here. Hopefully good things coming. Or I get arrested. I don't think I get arrested yet, right? Okay, very proud of myself now. We've got a finished product, complete with tartan ribbon. I'm actually surprised it broke. Okay, so we're at Old Pennycook House. My drone went straight into a tree. Potentially the largest, tallest, unclimbable tree in the entire area.
Cause you hurt me right, but you do it nice.
Oh, thanks guys. Oh, that's great, the cake too. So I'm heading up to Glencoe.
I still stay, 'cause you're the only thing I know. So won't you take, oh, won't you take me home? Take me home.
And I had a shot of my new drone, which is mental.
Take me.
I have not had any whiskey, alright? None. Zero. I actually need to behave myself. But this is a good thing about doing all these things in Scotland. I'm never far away from just jumping in the car and going back to these places. That I bought another drone because you know I'm an idiot. Apparently it's Christmas tomorrow. So today I'm heading to Skye. Scotland's woken up, all the mountains are out, the mists are all along the top of them. Oh great, I can see a red sky now. My god, this place is incredible. So I'm back up here again, up at East Point. Skye's probably my favourite place in Scotland now. Good for the soul.
But no one shakes me like you do. My best mistake was you. And you're my sweet affliction. 'Cause you hurt me right, but you do it nice. Round in circles, here we go.
I think I've gotten the absolute golden shot.
I still stay, 'cause you're the only thing I know. So won't you take, oh, won't you take me home? Take me home, home.
2025, what can I say? Left Qatar, came back to the UK, fell in love with Scotland again. Will I ever leave? Maybe. Will I leave anytime soon? Absolutely not. Thanks for all the support this year. It's been an adventure, and hopefully next year will be even better.